Hi y'all, it's Charlene from Crafty Art Shack, and we're back here today to wish you a happy Memorial's Day and also to take a walk through time with us. Now let's go over to AVONLEA Antique Mall and look at some of the relics that they have over there. And we're going to get a chance to talk to one of the vendors too, so let's go. Here we are. We're going to take a walk through time and we're going to see AVONLEA and all its little booths that it has inside of it. And oh my gosh, this is one of my favorite booths. Now this is not antiques, this is more like gifts, but they do have some antiques over there to the other side. We also have the Southern Belle Paints booth, and if you're looking for the silk paints, they're going to be over in the other booth, and we'll go there now. Right, here we are at the other booth, and here is the setup and how it looks now. All set up for Memorial Day. We'll be this way through the 4th of July, and then we're going to get ready for Christmas, you guys. Oh my gosh. So as we walk in the booth, we created a new section here with puzzles and games. Now these were all new and have been checked and made sure all the pieces were there. These are never opened. And then we have a collection of old cars. Now look at this beautiful glass dish up here. And then we have the rest of our kids section over here. And all little gifts. And these gifts, our booth is a combination of gifts and or antiques. So y'all come out and check us out at AVONLEA. Now these are all handmade items down here at the bottom that Pearl Treasure Designs made. And then we have some of the old Viewmaster things, and then we have some of the Marvel comic stuff. And look, Father's Day's coming up. This is a great gift. And then we have our old dishes and stuff. And let me see if I can zoom you out so you can see everything. And we've got tier trays and stuff that were made up there. Now these are keychains that we make, and old linens that we found, and some that we've made. And we sold an item that was there, that's why that's laying there like that. But this whole wall, we're getting ready to revamp this whole wall right here once I get out of this. And that is our other Dixie Belle paints, the silk mineral paints. And we've sold this line painting. It's going to the church. And oh my gosh, may God bless them. And then we have some chairs that we designed. Now this whole wall is something we haven't worked on yet, but we're going to be working on it. But we've set up a whole jewelry section. Now this is all new or handmade or new old stock that we bought off of people who were in the jewelry business before. So, and then there's a few things that are used that are in here, and those are the old pens and stuff like this. If they say vintage on them, that's usually what that is. And let me get this turned around here. And then we have this display. Try to get that set back up there with all of our bracelets and stuff. And then we'll go over here and we have a cabinet that we have filled with a bunch of gift items and or antiques. And look at this. This is one of my favorite sections, but I'm a country girl, so I like how this is set up. We have a bunch of old stuff and some new stuff mixed here. Some old shoe stretchers and some old trays. And then we go over here, and here is our Dixie Belle paints, the silk mineral paints that are the all-in-one. They have the top coat and the everything in it that you need. And there we go, and there's the whole setup. Now here's our transfers down at the bottom and our stains. We have color charts for you to look through. And then here is where you can get extra coat, or we even have the metallic paints And we have color charts. Now, if you make a purchase, you get one of these for free. And then we have more old dishes here. And some silver up top. And then we also carry a line of gift cards. Now, these are all new gift cards. We've got them packaged so that you can look at them. And when somebody else looks at these, I'm trying to do this one-handed, you guys, hang on. They're all wrapped in plastic so that when you open them up, you can read what the inside of the card says. And if it doesn't say anything, it's because it's blank. But we have a whole gift card section here of all different kinds of gift cards and small gift bags down here along the bottom and larger gift bags up here. And then we have all kinds of cards, gifts of all kinds that some we've made. And then here's our designer section of some of the things that we have made in here, along with some antiques. All the way up there, all the way down. And then here is our baby section. Now, Beth made most of these, but Beth and I make these baby bibs over here for little boys I made. I've got some little girl ones that I'm fixing to bring up. And the little bitty embroidered towel sets for the days of the week. She embroidered those. But there's diaper cakes for little boys and little girls. We've got the cupcake ones, and all of that is clothing or something in there that has items that the baby can use. And we have little toys, and then these are two little diaper cakes that have diapers and bibs and hair bows and stuff like that for little girls or little boys. So if y'all are interested in any of this stuff, come check it out. We also have these cute little, I don't know if you can see that really well, but they are pacifier holders. And Best Stars made those. And then we go around here. We have some more hand stuff that was done by Beth for babies. And we have baby socks. Along with, we have all kinds of adult socks over here on this side of different kinds. And we even have them for men. And we have them for girls and babies. So y'all come check us out, because we have a lot of stuff in the booth that was just made, or either we got in their giftable items. And then we have antiques like this little sign up here. Then let's go around here and look at the front. Now, you guys, Christmas is coming up. Gifts for people that you know is just around the corner, and we've got you covered with all kinds of gifts. Now we have little Post-it notes here, and what that is it's little sticky notes in a pack with a cover over them, so you can put them in your purse or use them at schools. We have emergency sewing kits. We have, see if I can get this out here with this thumb. We have color nails. And then we have little gift boxes. We have little nurses' ID badges. We have zipper pulls, bookmarkers, pens, nail files, little key finders, flour sack towels, letter openers. More, these are colored pencils, and they've got the extra refills right here. And then we have more gift boxes. You guys, we've got you covered for little gifts that you need for stockings or whatever. We've got you covered. Between here and the other section over there, we've got you covered. Then we have a Coca-Cola section here. And we've got all kinds of stuff in there. And we have a summertime section right here. Hey, you guys. Now, you guys, here we are. We're walking down 2nd Street. This is the one that our booth is on. And we're going to go all the way down here. And this is one of my favorite booths right here. So many things. And then we have this section right here where they make logs and stuff, and they put them in here for people. Now look, isn't this absolutely adorable? Imagine coming here to AVONLEA and getting your picture made here in this booth. You could get permission to sit here and take pictures. And we also have some stuff in this booth with the Alice in Wonderland. We've got the Mad Hatter's hat. We've got a clock, and we've got the teapot back here in the back. You guys, we just love this section. What a cute idea. Come to AVONLEA, get your picture taken, and see all the things there is to see here. I've got a wonderful bakery right beside, or not bakery, little restaurant beside here. Come and have lunch and see everything that they have in here. If they've changed it up, every time you've come, it's new things to see. So this is Miss Susan, and she has a booth here at AVONLEA, and she's going to tell us a little bit about it. Tell us what all you have in here, Miss Susan.
I have mainly bone china, teacups, teapots, and porcelains of all kinds, even Meissen, Dresden, so figurines, lots of Royal Dalton figurines.
Yeah. Now, what got you started in doing this?
I started working in an antique mall in 2000, and the lady that was the owner of the mall said, "You're going to get a space before you know it." I said, "No, I'm not interested in that." 3 months later, I had shelves. Then I had a booth. Then that business closed in 2008, and I took this booth.
And so, why'd you pick just China like this? What made you just focus in on this one type of thing?
Well, I'm a widow, and I can't lift heavy things like furniture. So the furniture's not for sale, but everything else is.
Okay. And I think this is so cute. I know my daughter has come to your booth and bought teacups, and she buys different ones each time she is setting up. And the reason why she does is because she gets a different teacup for each person that she's having, and have like little teas at the house and everything, and it be a mismatch is kind of cute.
My church, I loaned a bunch of teacups to my church because they had a tea, and of course they all were for sale, and a lot of ladies purchased them, and I have donated baskets with teacups and teapots when we have an auction once a year, and I always donate a basket with bone china in it.
Oh, that's so sweet. Yeah. Well, I appreciate you taking the time and showing us your booth. And anybody who's watching this via YouTube or wherever else you see this, come out and visit us here at AVONLEA. Miss Susan and myself and all the other dealers that are out here, we'd love to have you come and see what we have. There is lots of stuff to see.